In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your voice chat not working on PUBG Mobile. Now, in order to fix this, you first need to launch up PUBG, and then we're going to click on the icon in the bottom right-hand side. It's this kind of upwards arrow. Then click on Settings, and from the right-hand navigation, select Graphics and Audio. Click on the Audio tab right at the top, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Underneath voice chat, just ensure that your microphone is turned up to full on this slider. Also, make sure your speaker is turned up to full like so. And then also where it says pre-made voice toggle, you want to make sure this option is enabled. Now, once you've done that, you can close out of this window to save all of these changes, and then we can launch a game to check if our microphone is now working. If you're still having voice chat issues, the next thing we need to do is head over to the home screen on your iPhone, and from here you want to click on the settings application. Scroll down to general and select this, click on software update, and just ensure you're running the latest iOS for your device. You can see here that I'm running iOS 18.0.1. Once you've ensured you're running the latest software, we can then head back over to the main settings window, then come back down to general, click on iPhone storage, and from these applications at the bottom, you need to locate PUBG Mobile. Once you've found PUBG, click on it like so, click on offload app, and then at the bottom, select offload app to confirm. Now give this a few seconds to complete, and then you'll see this reinstall app button, which we also need to click. That's going to go ahead and reinstall PUBG to your device. And then finally, once PUBG has been reinstalled, we can then try launching the app and checking if that's now fixed the voice chat. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by following these steps, that's now fixed any voice chat issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.